My original concept was just this almost Rube Goldberg kind of mechanism in there with all kinds of, adjustments, and really backed off of that. It just became too complicated, and we came up with a design, I think, that's much, much simpler and stiffer. That's the big thing. All the commercially available mirror mounts are designed for a stationary application, and we're very dynamic, moving around. So you've got all this weight that you're trying to control in a very stiff manner, so it's not wobbling around. The image is not wobbling around, and that was quite a challenge.
2 years later, it's done. The whole thing works. I'm stoked. It's really been a cool path to walk down. So, yeah, I've been having fun the whole time.
Remembering the first couple times we were there when we had the generator up and powered the thing up for the first time, start to actually see the gimbal function, start to actually see the trailer in action doing what it's ready to do, seeing it move for the first time. It almost feels like, hey, that's our baby and she's walking.